In the modern battlefield, the enemy doesn't always come with fighter jets or tanks. Sometimes it's silent, it's small, it's cheap, and it flies just 100 meters above your head, carrying explosives or surveillance equipment. From Gaza to Ukraine, from Armenia to Syria, drones have rewritten the rules of war. But in May 2025, as swarms of drones and missiles breached sovereign airspace in a tense India-Pakistan standoff, a historic shift happened. For the first time, India's multi-layered air defense system was tested in real time, and it worked. While the world focused on the specs of missiles and radars, we asked the deeper question: how is India's air defense strategy changing the very doctrine of 21st century warfare? Not just for India, but for the world. Drones have democratized warfare. From state actors to rogue militias, everyone now has access to unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. Some cost just a few $100s, but the damage they can cause? Devastating. From kamikaze drones to swarm attacks, the old doctrines of air superiority are crumbling. The US Patriot systems, Russian Pantsir, even Israeli Iron Dome have struggled to keep up. This is no longer just about radar coverage or missile range. It's about adaptability, coordination, and response time. So how does India fit into this evolving landscape? India's approach is not to rely on one silver bullet, but to build a defense web across multiple layers of altitude, range, and threat type. Let's break this down. 1. L-70 anti-aircraft guns, short-range, low-altitude. These are the last line of defense, often deployed near vital assets, capable of shooting down drones, helicopters, and low-flying aircraft, upgraded with electro-optical fire control systems. 2. Spider missile system, short to medium range, Israeli origin, extremely versatile, can intercept drones, helicopters, even cruise missiles. Think of it as the mobile shield for tactical battlefield defense. 3. Akash missile system, medium range, indigenously developed, designed to protect large installations. Akash is more than a missile, it's a message that India can build sophisticated systems at scale. 4. Barak 8, long range, co-developed with Israel. High precision, long-range system used by both the Air Force and Navy. Barak 8 covers key military and strategic sites. 5. S-400 Triumph, strategic tier, the crown jewel, capable of tracking 300 targets and engaging 36 simultaneously. Designed for intercepting stealth fighters, ballistic missiles, and high-altitude threats. But now it's proving effective even against drone swarms. This system isn't just about having 5 layers. It's about how they talk to each other. The real power lies in integration, in the creation of a unified command and control network that processes data, allocates threats, and responds in seconds. When Pakistani drones and suspected missile threats were detected, it wasn't just the S-400 that acted. The entire chain, from radar acquisition to kill confirmation, moved like one synchronized machine. This is where India sets an example. Most countries have overlapping systems from different suppliers, Russian, Western, Israeli. But India has found a way to make them work together. That is doctrinal innovation. While Europe and the US invest billions into high-tech lasers and anti-drone systems, India has quietly created a cost-effective, scalable, and battle-ready model of layered defense. For nations in Asia, Africa, and Latin America, countries that cannot afford $5 million interceptors for $500 drones, the Indian approach offers a template. This also places India in a new role, not just as a buyer of arms, but as a strategic innovator in global military doctrine. A shift from tactical to strategic thinking. India's air defense is not just a shield, it is a deterrent. It signals to adversaries, whether rogue actors or enemy states, that escalation won't come cheap. As drone technology evolves, with AI swarms, loitering munitions, hypersonic glide vehicles, India's doctrine must evolve too. Indigenous projects like XR-SAM, DRDO laser systems, and AI-based radar analytics are already in motion. This is not the endgame. This is the beginning of a new era in military strategy, and India intends to lead. From the L-70 gun to the mighty S-400, India's skies are now guarded like never before. But more importantly, India's strategic mind is evolving to match the threats of tomorrow. If you want more deep-dive strategic content from an Indian perspective, subscribe, share this video, and comment below. What should India's next defense priority be? This is Manoj Ambat for Strategic Vanguard, decoding the future of warfare, one layer at a time.